Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd do something different today. I don't usually do these type of videos, but I thought I'd do an unboxing. My Avon order came today. This is like the personal Avon order that I place for myself, Keith, or any customers that I have, which you guys know I don't service very many local customers, but this time I had two people that are my regular customers place the order with me. And also this time I had a different kind of situation. And you're going to see some of the products that I ordered pertaining to that situation. A person that I know, she was my neighbor years ago, back before I met Keith and when I lived in Adrian, Michigan. She was my neighbor in an apartment building. And we were friends. And over the years, we lost touch and she had moved to Florida. I probably haven't seen her in about, I would say at least 13, 14 years, maybe even 15 years. I'm not sure. But she had moved to Florida, and I'm not going to get into the details of anything, but through some Facebook, I learned she has been through some traumatic events, and she is leaving Florida. And basically, it's a situation where she is leaving Florida and coming back to Michigan with the clothes on her back, pretty much. And she has to start over fresh, completely fresh. I mean, like 100% completely fresh. And I've been in touch with her, and she didn't even have any makeup or anything like that. I mean, she has nothing. So I went ahead and I ordered her some stuff to get her started and help her, just get back on track. And I did, some things I thought would help her. I asked her what kind of colors she would like and stuff like that. So she's actually supposed to arrive in Michigan today sometime, so I'm going to arrange a time to take this stuff over to her. Today is Friday, probably by the end of the weekend or beginning of next week. But so I didn't order anything for myself this time because I got her quite a few things and I got Keith quite a few things, so I myself am sitting this one out. But I thought I would show you guys what I picked up, and I'm not on camera because I look like crap today. So I know it's kind of dark and gloomy in here. Hopefully it's not too much of a shadow. And you guys will be able to see. So I did open up this bag. Usually things like jewelry and makeup come into a separate bag. And so I did open that up so I wouldn't have to do that on camera. And I can't open everything exactly because it's, not mine, but I can show you the gist of things. So this is the Garden Party Floral Necklace. This is for my customer. I'll show you guys really quick. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging or anything, but I will show you what it looks like. That is available in Campaign 8. I know it's kind of dark in here. I apologize for that. I don't know if you can see it or not. We are having like crazy bipolar weather. It was just snowing like crazy a minute ago, and today is what, the 20, I don't even know what today is, 22nd, something like that. This is something that I ordered, I believe, for, yeah, this is a True Color blush in Mad About Mauve that I ordered for my friend. So there's that. I also picked her up a foundation. I tried to pick up, I was like thinking, okay, what do I need? Like when I go through my makeup routine, what do I use? You know what I mean? So I grabbed her something of everything, basically. I grabbed her the Flawless Liquid Foundation in Creamy Natural. And then also there is a eyeliner in Cosmic Brown because she told me that she does browns more than anything else. Mad for Mauve lipstick in the Beyond Color. I got the Beyond Color because that's my favorite lipstick line from Avon, and she asked for mauves, so that's a good one. Mascara. She asked for brown, black, or brown, and so I got her the Super Extend Nourishing in Brown Black mascara. This is a Glimmer Shadow. This is for my customer that ordered. It is the Glimmer Shadow in Bronze Age. So this is the box that they come in, just so you guys know what that's going to look like. What is this? This is the True Color Ideal Nude Cream Concealer. This is for my friend also. I got her the shade Light Medium. And then we have another jewelry item. This was for a customer, the Garden Party Butterfly Necklace. And this necklace is really cool. I've seen it in person, and it actually, oh, it's going to be wrapped up, so I'm not going to be able to show it to you, I don't think. yeah, it's wrapped up, so I can't show it to you, but it does come in, the pendant is detachable, so it's like a pin. You can use it as a pin as well as a necklace, and that's available in Campaign 8. And then we have the beautiful birthstone cross necklace in October. This is for a customer, and oh, it's wrapped up too. Sorry guys, but yeah, she had ordered the one for March and the one for October, and the March one is on back order currently. So okay, so that takes care of this. Then we have let's see, I also picked up a hairbrush for my friend. This is the cushion brush. I have this myself. It's a nice brush. I like it. So I grabbed her one of these because I'm sure she has a hairbrush at least, but I didn't know for sure. So I thought, you know, I want to make sure she has one. Then I grabbed her also because of skincare. I didn't exactly know what she needs. So I grabbed the Nutra Effects Radiance Cream. This is the night one, and then I got her the day cream also. I wasn't sure like what her needs are exactly, but so I was kind of just looking for like a multi-purpose day cream and night cream. But this is the Radiance day cream. It has SPF in it of 20. So I grabbed those two for her. I also picked her up some shampoo and conditioner. I got her the Advanced Techniques 360 Nourished with Argan Oil because I like that kind myself. I think it's good. Somewhere in here is the shampoo. I think it's over here. Let me see. Yeah, here's the shampoo right here. And then I also got her the, where is it? The 360 Nourish leave-in treatment. It's like the oil. Because she has thick hair and I think it has a tendency to go fuzzy, you know, kind of like mine does. So I grabbed her one of those also. Okay. I picked her up a pack of the makeup remover wipes, and I have on hand some of the, Avon Vital, the new cleanser that was discontinued last year. I bought myself like 20 tubes of that when they got discontinued. So I have, quite a few of those still, and I'll put one of those in for her also. Okay, so and then moving on, this I grabbed actually for another friend. It's a jewelry cleaning cloth. Avon has these. They're not available to the public, but they're for reps, and it cleans jewelry. Like one side tarnishes and dirt, and then the other side polishes it. They work really good. And then I also picked up some of the regular jewelry cleaner for myself that's liquid, that comes like in a little jar. Let me see if I can get it open. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, I can't open the box, but you've seen it. It's like one of those jars of liquid, and it has a tray in it, and it comes with a little brush. So I grabbed that for myself and Keith for our stuff. Okay, moving on. This is a dress. This is for the customer of mine. This is the Ella dress in a size large. And that is that really pretty lavender dress that I just showed you guys. I said it was one of the few items that I actually really liked in the new clothing collection. It's a really pretty, actually you can kind of see the color here. That's just a really, really pretty lavender shade. So I don't want to take that out because I would never be able to fold it up and get it put back in there properly the way it's supposed to be. And then what else? See, I'll try to grab the rest of the stuff I got from my friend. I picked her up a Flawless Mattifying Pressed Powder. It's kind of got something on the packaging here, so I'm wondering if something is leaking in my box, which I hope not. But this is the Flawless Mattifying Pressed Powder, and I got her the shade Light Medium. And this is the True Color Eyeshadow Quad in Chocolate Sensation that I also picked up for her because she does browns. She's into neutrals. And then I think the rest of this stuff pretty much, well, oh no, here's another thing I got for her. The Pro powder brush. I figured she could use it as a blush brush and a powder brush both. And I actually have some e.l.f. eyeshadow brushes that are brand new and still in the packaging that I'm going to throw in that she can use for her eyeshadow. So taking that to her. And I have shower gel and lotion too that I'm going to put in for her as well. Yeah. So then my customer ordered 2 of these Skin So Soft, Soft and Sensual Replenishing Hand Creams. So there's 2 of those. And my customer also ordered 1 of the Smooth Moves Anti-Cellulite Cooling Gel. I'm telling you guys, this stuff has been selling like crazy. Everybody seems to want this. So there's that. And then I believe the rest of the stuff I got for Keith, because remember I had told you guys that a lot of the men's stuff is getting discontinued, and so I wanted to make sure he was able to, you know, stock up on his favorite stuff. So I grabbed him the Mesmerize Black Hair and Body Wash. I think I got 3 of those for him. So there's 1, 2. And let me see, I have a 3rd one here. Oops. Yeah, and here's a 3rd one right here for him. So that'll last him for a little while. I grabbed him a black suede sport. No, wait, hold on. What am I looking for? Let me do this. Okay, and then here is a Mesmerized Black aftershave conditioner lotion. He loves the aftershave conditioner lotions. So I got him 2 of the Mesmerized Black, and I grabbed him 3 of the Alpha because we know he loves the Alpha. So there's 2 of the Alpha here, and let's see, here is the 3rd one, kind of squished but still there. So those are the aftershave conditioners. Another aftershave conditioner in the Black Suede Sport, and it looks like I grabbed him 2 of these. So there we go. And I picked him up 2 of the Black Suede Sport Hair and Body Wash. I don't think he's ever had these before. He does have the cologne, but I don't think he has these. So, and there's something cruddy right here on this. So one of these has something in here. Something, and I can tell by the way it smells. It's one of the men's products. Something has kind of leaked out a little bit, so I'll have to check that out and wipe those down and figure out. That's always lovely when that happens, right? Yeah, this one feels kind of sticky, so I'm biting this one. And I can see on my divider there's some like little spots here where you can see that something has leaked out of there. So then they put our products on the top, and then they use this cardboard divider, and then underneath is like any kind of paper stuff that we've ordered. So I only get like 1 pack of books usually, because I don't service a lot of customers in person where I need to hand out brochures, and 1 pack of books with Avon equals 10 brochures. So I've ordered 10 brochures in here, and this will more than meet the needs of my local customers and myself. So this will be this is the Campaign 10 brochure, and it's got the vitamin C warming peel and lip treatment and brightening serum on the cover of it. So they have sent me 10 of those. And I'll show you what else is in here. And then they've given me a couple of outlets. I don't order those, but they just send them to me for free. Sometimes not everybody gets these for free. They might just get 1. But when you have, like, the higher your sales are, the more stuff Avon sends you for free. So they usually send me 10 outlets or so, a couple packs of those. So this will be the outlet for Campaign 10. So we've got those, looks like. Let me see what else is in here. And these are FaceTime flyer. Looks like that's going to be good for campaigns 10 and 11. It has the clay masks on the front of it. And then let me get out my invoice. I don't want to show you guys that because it's got my account number and everything on it. So I don't want to show that. But this is the What's New for Campaign 12, and it's the Bug Guard issue. So that's kind of cool. What's the A-box going to look like that time? Oh, cool. It's going to have the, Let's see, clinical line eraser with retinol targeted treatment. That's the full size, so that'll be the full size of that. And then trial sizes of the Anew Ultimate Multi-Performance Day Cream with SPF 25 and the Anew Ultimate Cream Cleanser. Now, I'll tell you guys this. I am using this right now, the Anew Ultimate Day Cream with the SPF 25. I have the full size jar, and I've been using it, and it is unbelievably moisturizing. I'm like shocked that it's that moisturizing. It really is, you know, quite moisturizing. Like, I was surprised. So this has got all the bug guard in it. And let's see. Oh, here's that new Far Away that I was telling you guys about too. Far Away Aloha. I knew it was some kind of tropical. So it says it's a vibrant summer scent that transports you to the islands of Hawaii with tropical mandarin zest, something flower, and radiant musk. I can't read. It's like written in light. It's got like a rub and sniff thing. I'm gonna rub and sniff and see what we think. I definitely smell the Far Away type scent in it. But I can smell the orange too. The mandarin. I love mandarin. I tried to order, I was going to order myself a bottle of the Soleil that was out last summer, and it was gone. So right now, I still have a small one of that though. And then this is a new fragrance for him called True Gent, which I think the name is kind of stupid, but the packaging is awesome. I mean, the packaging looks great. And it says it is a noble blend of aromatic laurel leaf, smooth tobacco, and comforting vanilla suede. So that sounds really good. So you know we'll be getting my man to do a review of that. And then here's that Mesmerize car. Remember I was telling you about the decanter that was going to be blue. So that's cool. Interesting. What else do we have? Some jewelry. Or for him, because I guess this will be like the Father's Day. Yeah, it says Father's Day is June 16th. So Father's Day, and let's see, just some jewelry for her. Nothing too exciting in this one, I don't think. Yeah. And then this is all just like products that we already have. And then the A-box. So that's going to be the stuff coming out in campaign 12. All right, you guys, I just thought I would show you the items this way instead of doing my traditional on-camera haul, because for one thing, none of it's for me, which is okay. I don't always have to have something, but two, I slept terrible last night, and my arthritis is bothering me today. The weather, like I said, is all crazy acting, and so sometimes when we have the change of seasons, it's difficult on my arthritis anyways, but especially when it's I don't sleep well, you throw that into the mix, and I feel pretty drug out and not my normal bubbly self. So I'm kind of taking it easy today, but I still thought I would get this out there so you guys could see. Kind of interesting to see what other people order and, you know, stuff like that. So okay, you guys, that's all. I will see you soon, though. Maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll feel up to filming another eye look with one of those glimmer shadows. I also saw, I was watching Emily Noel, and she did like a week's worth of one shadow looks out of her Wants palette, and it kind of got me thinking about trying to do that with some of the Avon shadows. What do you think about that? Is that something you would be interested in seeing? Just some one shadow looks, you know, with different stuff. Maybe I could do like some quick videos with that here and there, but I've been thinking more and more about doing more makeup videos, more and more, you know, makeup videos for you guys if you are interested in seeing them. So let me have some feedback on that, please. All right, that is it. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna let you guys go now, and I'm gonna go take a hot shower. So I will see you in the next video.